Good afternoon, fanciers. Welcome back to Kadir Loft. I'm gonna make another video for you guys today. So it's nothing special, just gonna feed my stock birds and the youngsters. So gonna feed the grain to the birds. So this is pretty the birds grain. It's already mixed with the calcium, everything. So ready to go. Be with us. Let's go. The birds looks like they're hungry. Good. Good. Welcome again. Clear left. This is all my youngsters. Looks like they're relaxing pretty much. There you go. Come on, boys, come on. They pretty hungry. Looks like they pretty hungry. So yeah, looks good. The baby's there. They very soon they're gonna move to a youngster loft. They're gonna be here very soon. Beautiful. All right, let's just do some feed for youngsters. Come on, boys. Come on. Looks like they're pretty full, not coming down for the food. Okay, up to you guys. You're going to the next loft. All right, let's open. Good. All right, I got two pairs here. They already have some babies here, 3 babies, and another pair is just sitting on the egg. Might be hatch the eggs probably in couple of days, like in 2-3 days. So very soon got another 2 babies, which is good. Come on. Enough for them. Beautiful. Okay, let's go to another lot. Yep, to the next loft. Come on, boys. like that. I got baby there and baby there, baby there. Okay, let's go. Leave them alone. Leave them food they eat. Let them just eat the food. Okay. Okay, we're gonna leave you guys alone. You guys just have the dinner and we're pretty finished. You guys can have the lunch, the dinner. Okay, let's go. Alright, so once again, don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave the comment and like my videos. I'll keep updating you guys the videos and everything. Our video is gonna be finished today here, so once again, this is another pair which is laid eggs, another pair here, I got a here, I got another pair here. Yep, it's all. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys doing very well and have a good day and enjoy your day. Take care and bye bye.